Hey boys and girls. Okay, so I still want to keep doing our videos on some of the fun stuff that we do in class. And today what I'd like to do is do a song for you on the piano. I've never played the piano. I don't think, oh, I did do that in Mr. Kaufman's class before. You guys got to hear me play that one time. But I've never done any of our songs since I don't have a piano in our room. So I was looking through my book, and we'll use this book more often. I have a book on the funny song book that has some good songs in it. So, but I found this one that we've already done, so that way you can do it. And it's Do Your Ears Hang Low? All right, so I'm gonna do the motions with you one time, and then I'm gonna play it, and you can do the motions and sing it with me, okay? But this is how it goes. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? I gotta play my hands that way. Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? And this is how the song goes. If you already know it, which I know most of you do, I'm gonna come down here so you can watch my fingers play. But I'll sing it at the same time. I'm gonna go kind of slow. Can you see my fingers? No. Let's go lower. Almost. Let's keep lowering it. This piano's low. Aha! There we go. All right. So I'm gonna play it, and I'm gonna sing it too. Okay, ready? Here we go. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? I made a little mistake at the end. Is that okay? Absolutely. Nobody's perfect. So, which I tell you all the time, I know. All right, can I try it one more time? We'll do it a little faster. We'll see if I can play it faster. All right, ready? Here we go. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? That was better. Okay, now let's do it one time fast. Really fast with the motions. Ready? Here we go. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? How'd you do? That's fun. For today, we're going to try a little science experiment that I've never tried before, and I found this on a website called the Dad Lab. So some dad came up with this. But if it works, it's going to be really cool. All right, so I took just a water bottle, and I cut off the bottom. Please get a parent to do that, okay? It's pretty tricky to do it. So do that, and then I found a sock. Didn't say what size, so whatever size. I'm going to put that on the bottom. Okay, so this ending is still here. Hello, Katie. Grisabella came to watch the science experiment. All right, and then I got just some water in a little pan here, and I'm going to put some dishwashing soap. I don't know how much of that to do either. I'm going to just swish it around so it gets in there pretty good. And then what you do is you take your sock, and you put it in here. I think we need more soap on there. Let's see. Look at that! So all I did was that's awesome. That's what happened. See, science is so exciting. All right, so all you do is you blow on the end. That might be the best thing I've ever seen. There you go. A sock, a water bottle, soap, and some water. And you got an instant water blower. Try that today. And see how long you can make it.